It hasn't arrived in West Michigan yet, but here's a sign that snow will be here soon. This is video from Cedar Rapids, Iowa, which had a light dusting of October snow.
Meanwhile, MDOT's network of cameras captured this image today earlier from the Upper Peninsula. This is from the Seney Rest area on M28 in Schoolcraft County. I know that rest area well, and it looks pretty much like I remember it.
And probably like it is most of the winter.
That's actually pretty mild most of the winter.
My.
You're going to be, you take that drive in the middle of the winter and you've got drifts that are feet high on either side.
And it's not going to be long before it starts to snow in our part of the state.
No, Chief Meteorologist George Lesson's back out on the weather deck. It's a-coming, George.
Those might be scenes on Halloween night off to the north. Yeah. It's that time of year. We're going to show you some autumn snowfall benchmarks. We're actually a little bit late in the season for some first snow. 13 weather ball is blinking bright. We have rain mainly in sight, also some snow. It's blue, colder weather in view. Believe it or not, even tomorrow. 13 weather ball view brought to you by the great folks at your West Michigan Ace hardware stores. Forecast 46 today, the advertised 56. Made 47, that's within 3 degrees. And we're back on track with your 3-degree guarantee. So we're going to see some rain develop Wednesday morning, generally south of I-96, but it's going to spread to the north, about 3/4 of the area, and it may become mixed with some snow Wednesday night, especially east of M37 and north of I-96. There'll be some light accumulations there. The snow will change to rain for most of the day on Halloween, including the start of your trick-or-treat time. But at the end of trick-or-treating and as you head into the overnight hours, it will change back to snow, and that's when we might get some accumulations. Highs will only be in the low 40s. Tomorrow, cloudy start in Grand Rapids, rain, maybe some snowflakes mixed in at noon, but all rain in the afternoon. We'll only get up to around 40, 41. That is all, and that's how it's going to shape up throughout the morning hours. Numerous showers throughout the afternoon and evening. Just a damp, wet, cold day. How about those autumn snow benchmarks? Our first trace of snow usually occurs on October 26th. It's the 29th. We've passed that. Last year, it was on the 20th. First measurable snow on November 6th. We may be early this year because I think we're going to get some measurable snow on Halloween night. And a 1-inch plus, usually on November 18th. We were early last year with both of those. We may be early again this year. Again, first trace October 26th, first measurable November 6th, first 1-inch plus on the 18th. And again, we had a trace of snow on the 20th last year, so we're a little bit late. Your Halloween forecast, that rain and then changing to snow mix. Highs early in the day around 42. It'll drop into the 30s. It will feel all of 30s. Lots of clouds around the area throughout the day today. We had a little bit of light rain this morning, some spritzes this late afternoon and early evening, but there is a pocket of some clearing. We'll see that briefly overnight, and that's when our lowest temperatures will occur early tonight, and then the clouds and showers will be coming on up. They're already starting to move into the St. Louis area. Those will be arriving right around daybreak or so, and there's a winter weather advisories all the way from Illinois all the way back to the west, where there are winter storm warnings in the Denver area because they're going to see several inches of snow. For us, just lots of clouds this evening, a few breaks from time to time, and there's the rain by daybreak. I-94 southward, a couple of pockets where there may be some snowflakes mixed in. Gradually gets up to the Grand Rapids area by the noon hours you saw with some light rain, and it will continue in this area throughout the afternoon and evening. Notice to the north, not a lot expected until tomorrow night. Rain and even snow up and through here changes over to all rain during the day on Thursday, mixed with a couple of snowflakes. And this right in here is where we're expecting that snow early on Thursday night into Friday morning. Rainfall amounts, we're looking at just a few hundredths of an inch overnight tonight, and that's to the south. A little bit more during the day tomorrow. Tomorrow night, everyone gets into the rain, 1/2 inch or more to the south and east, even on Halloween. Yeah, it's going to be a wet one. That continues into Thursday night and Friday morning before it all comes to an end. And more importantly, the snow. Nothing here tomorrow. Nothing here tomorrow afternoon. Now, tomorrow evening is when we're going to see the snow. That's up and through here, just enough to cover the ground, maybe a little bit more northern Kent County. That will continue on into Thursday. and especially Thursday night. Look at this is where the accumulations will be, an inch or more, especially from I-96 and US 131 to the east. Forecast though for tomorrow, look for cloudy skies north, low 40s there. Light rain moving up to maybe Muskegon by the end of the day. Up north, you'll be just mostly cloudy. You might get some rain in Greenville, maybe cloudy the rest of the area, around 40 up around US 10. And from Grand Rapids southward, high 40, 42 maybe. Rain, maybe some snowflakes mixed in, especially early in the day. 13 on your side forecast. 40s and even upper 30s on Friday. A chance to dry out Friday. Saturday, a few lake effect rain and snow showers. Nothing significant. Will dry out late in the day, and a cool day on Sunday. Then we jump into the mid and upper 40s. Whoo, heat wave next Monday and Tuesday. Election day, for the most part, should be dry until the evening. We'll see some rain and maybe some overnight snow. Colder weather to follow after that, guys. It is definitely going to be cold.